Hi, hello friends, welcome to Fun Electronics. In this video I am going to show you how to add the ESP32 in Proteus. For that, first I have given the download link in the description. Click there, and when you click the download link it will direct you to the drive file. Here this is the ESP32, so click here and download. Then open the folder. Click here and extract all. When you extract this file, you can see these two files here. This one is the ESP32 library file, so copy these four files. Right click this one, open file location, and go to Proteus 8 Professional. Here you can find the data folder, and then you can find the library folder, and paste that four files here. Then close, then open Proteus. Create new project. Now let's check the component list. Here you can find ESP32 modules. Then double click this one. Click OK. Click here and paste here. Now you can create your circuit diagram and simulate the circuit in the Proteus. That's all about this video, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. If you want to notify when I upload new video, hit the bell icon. Thank you.